Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. We have new coupons, glitches, and freebies. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave some comments down in the comment section below. Now let's go ahead and jump right in. Up first, let's go ahead and talk about this Saturday, because we did receive a 5 off 25 and also a 10 off 40. So you might want to hold off on clipping those to your accounts just until you figure out what exactly you want to do for Saturday, because if Saturday rolls around and you have a really good 10 off 40 scenario, but you have your 5 off 25 clipped, the 5 off 25 is likely to come off first at the register. So for myself, I'm not going to be clipping either one of these to my account just yet, at least until I come up with a plan for Saturday. Now, moving right along, we have a lot of laundry deals this week at DG, so we're going to talk about a few of them in today's video. Up first, we have instant savings on the Arm & Hammer laundry cleaning and cat litter products. You're going to instantly save 5 at the register when you spend 20. Now, we also received a save 5 when you spend 20 DG store coupon on the All Snuggle, Purex, and Persil products. Now, with the 5 off 20 DG store coupon, we do have a lot of manufacturer coupons as well as DG cashback offers that we can stack and use together. So here's a look at all of the ones that I've put together so far. A really good deal on the Persil laundry detergent this week with that 2 off 1 digital coupon, and then we also received a 125 off 1 digital coupon on the Snuggle and Purex products. So that coupon does attach to several items. Always make sure that you scan and double check to make sure that it attaches. Now here's just a quick scenario that I have put together. Of course, if you include this in with a 5 off 25 or a 10 off 40, that would make the deal even sweeter. But if you need some laundry products this week, go ahead and pick up one of the Persil liquid laundry detergents on sale for $5.50, one of the all liquid detergents priced at $5, one of the Purex 28 count packs priced at $5.75, one of the Purex 21 count packs priced at $3.75, and one of these Snuggle 40 count dryer sheets priced at $2. That's going to put your subtotal at $20.75. Here's a list of all of the coupons, and that's going to leave you paying $12.50 out of pocket, but then you're getting a total of $2.50 back in DG cash. So that's going to make your final price just $10 for 5 items, or just $2 each. Up next, we have a DG store coupon for Gain laundry products. Now, this is specifically for when you buy one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $18.95, you are going to get another pack of the Gain flings for free, and you can choose from the ones that are priced at $9.95. Some are priced at $7.50 and some are priced at $4.50. So obviously the best deal that you can get with this coupon is picking up one of the large Gain liquids priced at $18.95 and one of the $9.95 Gain flings, and that's going to leave you paying $18.95 for 2. Now, just as a quick warning, for this deal, you can only do this deal with the specific large Gain liquid laundry detergent that you see pictured on your screen. It's 184 fluid ounces priced at $18.95. We did go into the store this morning to scan to see if it would attach to anything else, and unfortunately it is not. All right, next up we have another BOGO deal, picking up the large Suavitel liquid fabric softener at $8.50 and the 36 count dryer sheet. After the coupon, you're paying $8.50 for 2. Next, we have a 4 off 1 for our Tide laundry products. After the coupon, you're paying $11.95. We also have a 150 off 1 for our Bounce and Downy products. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're paying $3.50. And then we also received a 150 off 1 for our Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for our Mr. Clean products. These are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Then we also have a 2 off 1 for our Mr. Clean products that are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We also received a 5 off 1 for a couple of the starter kits. After the coupon, you're paying $11.50. Then we have a 2 off 1 for the Swiffer refills. If you want to pick up the liquid, those are priced at $6.75. After the coupon, you're paying $4.75. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working on the 12 count Swiffer refills priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We also received a $2.30 off 1 for our Febreze fabric sprays. These are on sale this week for $3.30, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Next up, we have a $2 cash cashback offer on the Finish Rinse Aids. These are priced at $4.95, so that's going to make your final price $2.95. Next up, we have a new one-off one for our Cottonelle bath tissue. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And we also received a new one-off one for our Scott bath tissue as well. Those start out at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. All right, now moving right along, if you need allergy meds, this is a fantastic week to go ahead and pick those up because we have several really good high-value coupons on Xyzal, Allegra, Zyrtec, and Astapro. Next up, we have a 2-off one for the Motrin. After the coupon, you're paying $3.65. We also received a 1-off one for our Pampers wipes. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. And we also have some pretty decent deals this week on diapers with a few high-value coupons and a couple of sales. Here we have the Love's diapers. They're on sale 2 for $15 plus a 4-off 2 digital coupon. You're paying $11 for 2. Next up, we have a 3-off one for our Venus razors. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6. Next up, we have a 2-off one for our CoverGirl eye products. If you want to pick up the 2-count eyeliner pencils, those are priced at $4.95, so after the coupon, you're paying $2.95. And then we also received a 2-off 2 DG store coupon on our Suave products. So we do have shampoos, conditioners, and body washes. Those are priced at $3 each, so after the coupon, you're paying $4 for 2. This coupon is also working on the 2.6-ounce women's deodorants, priced at $2.65, so after the coupon, you're paying $3.33 for 2. And this coupon is also glitching and working on the Suave men's 3-in-1 travel size. Those are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're paying $2 for 2. Next up, we have a $3 cashback offer on the Everyman's body wash. These are priced at $5, so that's going to make your final price just $2, and there is a limit of 5 on this offer. We also have a $3 cashback offer on the Everyman's deodorants. Those are priced at $6.50, so that's going to make your final price $3.50. We also have a $2 cashback offer on the Carefree liners. Those are priced at $4, so that's going to make your final price just $2. All right, now we're going to move on into our food deals for this week at DG. Up first, we do have a 1-off 2 digital coupon on the Nestle Pure Life 6-packs of water. These are priced at $1.25, so after the coupon, you're paying $1.50 for 2. And here's another fantastic deal. We received a buy one, get one free digital coupon on the Rockstar energy drinks and the Brisk teas. So pick up 2 of the Rockstar Energies because they're on sale this week too for $3.50. You're going to get the Brisk tea for free with that digital coupon. Plus, we have a Rockstar rebate right now for when you purchase 2, you're getting back $5. So submit your receipt, get $5 back, and that's going to make all 3 products completely free plus a $1.50 moneymaker. Next up, we have a $1 cashback offer on our Betty Crocker products, but you have to purchase 3. So if you want to pick up 3 of the cookie mixes, those are priced at $1.25 each. Final price, $2.75 for all 3. Or here's another way that you can do the deal because we have the Betty Crocker cake and brownie mixes on sale 2 for $3.50. Pick up 2 of those and then throw in 1 cookie mix. That's going to make your final price $3.75 for all 3. And don't forget to submit your receipt to fetch rewards because we do have bonus points right now for the Betty Crocker products. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me for now, but you know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all of the things. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.